Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Jupiter, and we're on a brand new 2025 Scout 400 LXF. This has got to be the best looking boat out on the water, and if you look here starting at the back, they won't see it for long with quad V10 400s. This boat, when you drop the throttles, it's immediately up on plane and it rips, just plain and simple. This boat is, we've got equipped Midnight Edition, so it's all black, black powder coating, black engines, just a super sharp boat out on the water. First thing you'll notice on all these Scouts, especially the big ones, is, you know, it's a unique layout back here with no splash well. So no matter what side of the dock you park on, it's easy getting in and out of the boat. You can walk behind the engines here if you're fighting a fish close to the engines. But just super neat. You've also got a door entering into the cockpit on the port and the starboard side, so another neat feature on this boat. Walking in here, you'll see you've got a huge cockpit. Great space to work a fish. Really, when you get into the cockpit of this boat, there's a lot to look at and a lot that catches your eye. We'll start here just with the obvious, man. You've got a fold down port side, which if you're anchored up, you're hanging out at the sandbar, doing any type of snorkeling or scuba diving, just a super neat feature. Extends the beam of the boat, gives you a little bit bigger dance floor, and with the press of a button, that'll pop up, you know, and you're back to normal here. This aft facing seat here, with the press of a button, this will actually flip up and turns into a summer kitchen. So you've got no compromise here as far as the layout of the boat and the options that you're getting, but you've got an electric grill, cutting board, everything under there. This is a pretty unique option. It's actually the first one that we've ordered like this, but it flips up into a bait prep station. So if you're doing any type of fishing, you know, cool spot to catch a fish. This is a starboard material. You could use it as a cutting board, and just an additional spot to rig all your lines. And then when you're done with it, it flips up and out of the way. There's also a cooler under here, so huge insulated cooler. But when it's in the down position, you're back to that typical couch seating. I call it the throne on this boat. Super comfortable. But you've got two opposing seats in the cockpit. Press a button, you've got electrically actuated rocket launchers that'll drop down. Easy to grab the rods, but it'll also allow your sunshade to come out. So two opposing seats underneath the shade is super cool layout. You've got your freshwater and your raw water wash down on a reel, so you could pull those out. Super handy and out of the way when you're not using them. Up at the helm here, you'll see, I mean, what you're typically used to when you're getting on these boats. Super clean dash. You've got triple 16-inch Garmin screens, flush mounted in a black acrylic. All these Scouts, they've got digital switching, so you can control all the lights, all your lights, pumps, and a bunch of different accessories on the boat from the dash. You've also got some redundancy up top just for quick access if you need to get to it. But, you know, great layout here. You've got your joystick, and this boat is also equipped with a bow thruster, so you really have no compromises as far as pulling into a dock. Doesn't get any easier. You've got full control over the boat, and it really just takes a lot of the stress out of docking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Speaking again just about ease of operation and using it, this boat's also equipped with zip wake. So this is a self-leveling auto trim system where you drop the throttles, it does what it needs to do to keep your bow down and the boat level. So if it senses an unequal distribution of weight, it'll adjust for that to make it easy. Got some AC vents, wireless charger. You also see on this boat, we ordered it with the carbon fiber steering wheel. And we did that because this boat is part of Scout's S-Class, which is carbon fiber epoxy infused resin. So it's a very unique build process. It's time consuming, it's high attention to detail, but you're gonna get a stronger hull It's going to be a lighter hull, which is going to give you better speed and efficiency. All around, they crushed it with the design and build process. Super ergonomic at the helm. If you sit here, it's like you're driving a car. Your throttles, your wheel, everything is just very accessible. So love the helm of these Scout boats. Great visibility, look incredible. So walking up here to the bow, first here we'll stop by, and down in the cabin area you'll see that it's a great use of space. It's huge. You've got a nice rod locker here that you can have 5 rods locked inside the cabin here. Also a great way to display them and show them off. You've got tackle organizer that stows there. And then over here in the kitchen area, you've got stovetop, microwave, refrigerator, there's a sink. So they really pack a lot into the space, and they did a great job just as far as the interior design, the tiles and woods that they've chosen. You've got TV, which we've actually right now got linked up to your Garmin, which is pretty neat. There's a filler cushion here that's shown. Turns this area into a bed. There's also a removable table that goes there, so you get maybe caught in some inclement weather, you just want to, you know, have lunch or something down in the cabin in the AC, you can do that pretty comfortably. Nice stand-up head, again, just with the interior design of it. It's nicely appointed. You got great storage behind the mirror, under the countertop there. All right, walking up to the bow here. Well, first you've got nice tackle drawers. On port side and then starboard side of the helm, you've got a stainless refrigerator. This is a nice dive ladder that plugs right into that fold down side. So makes it real easy to get, for everybody to get in and out of the boat. And then walking up here, you'll see it just with this huge bow flare. You've got really high gunnels. You're safe and secure inside the boat. Plenty of JL audio speakers throughout it. And then super cool feature, you've got molded in coolers forward, so you know run into the back of the boat to grab a drink. And you've got these port and starboard side. You've got pop-up lights. And then up here, it's just, man, it's a great spot to hang out, entertain. It's a comfortable spot to ride when underway. You've got these molded in backrests, port and starboard, so you could put your feet up here, super comfortable. There's a table, press a button that pops up out of the floor. You could put it in the middle with a filler cushion to turn it into a little bit larger bed area, or it comes all the way up to the top if you want to have some cocktails, snacks, maybe some lunch. And then you've got your lounger here in front of the console. So very easy to have 4 people forward facing with their feet up while underway. But again, this is definitely one of the best looking boats out on the water, and it's one that you're going to want to see in person. So give us a call here, MarineMax Jupiter. My name's Jordan Hanna, and I'd love to show it to you. So give us a call. Thank you.